each exterior angle of pentagon. So pentagon n is equals to 5, where n stands for the number of sides. So pentagon is having 5 equal sides. Since it is a regular pentagon, so regular pentagon means the size of each, that is the measure of each side will be equal. So each exterior angle will be also equal. So measure of each exterior angle is given by formula 360 degree upon n. Already we learned this formula yesterday. So 360 degree upon n, 60 divided by 5, so that is equals to, that is 72 degree. So this is the way how we are going to solve this one. Similarly, if we are having hexagon, hexagon means n is equals to 6. When n is equals to 6, then measure of each exterior angle, that is 360 degree divided by 6, that is equals to 60 degree. Is that clear? Clear? Any problem to anyone? किसी को ऐसा है कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा? Please write in your comment box. है ना? Don't say anything. Just write on your comment box. Now heptagon. Heptagon. So hepta means that is n is equals to 7. So when n is equals to 7, then each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon 7. 7 5 35. Okay, अब जो भी एंगल आएगा आप सोच रहे सर, इज दैट फ्रैक्शन विल बी इन योर प्रखर it is given this okay I will tell you. Is that it is -1 or it is a +1 record? I hope it will be a +1. So x upon y plus y upon x is equals to, that is +1. So if we are having a +1, so when it comes this side, it becomes -xy. It is equals to 0. So the x plus y cube is equals to, that is 0 आना चाहिए आंसर. I'm not writing anything on side. Just look at here. This is a question of Prakhar Dubey. Prakhar Dubey is asking some question. So this question will be that is x upon y plus y upon x equals to minus 1. So maybe here it is a plus
Sir,
1.
we can't see the question.
Question it is given in your comment box, given by Prakhar. प्रखर ने क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है कि x upon y plus y upon x equals to minus, और वहां पे होना चाहिए प्लस 1. इट शुड बी अ प्लस 1. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू, आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यहाँ पे एलसीएम को, देन बिकम्स एक्स वाई, व्हेन यू टेक इट बिकम्स अ माइनस एक्स वाई, और इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा, दैट इज 0. सो व्हेन यू कीप हियर, सो x प्लस y को इसका वैल्यू 0 आ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा एरर है, आप इसको चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा. हाँ, कि अभी समझ में नहीं आया वो क्वेश्चन, हम आपको समझा देंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट क्वेश्चन. अभी हम लोग अपने क्वेश्चन में फोकस करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का वे यही होगा. Okay, now, so next one is your अगर वहां पे माइनस तो 1 है, अगर वहां पे माइनस 1 है, सो देखिए क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है, हम आपको यहाँ बता देते हैं. इफ इट इज माइनस 1, देन इट इज आस्क्ड यू टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ, इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें. रीजन, बिकॉज एक्स क्यूब वाई क्यूब का जो होता है क्या, ये एक्स क्लियर का क्वेश्चन जो है ना वो इस पे बनते हैं. अब देख लीजिएगा यहाँ पे ये पार्ट आना चाहिए. तो व्हेन इट इज आस्क्ड प्लस, तो इट विल बी अ माइनस यहाँ पर आना चाहिए. तो अगर आपका ये चीज जो है यहाँ पे प्लस 1 देगा तो आपसे ये पूछेगा, माइनस 1 देगा तो ये पूछेगा. ऐसा क्वेश्चन रहता है. ठीक है, ये वही हम भी बोल रहे हैं प्रखर की ये आइडेंटिटीज होती हैं कि अगर यहाँ पे माइनस रहेगा तो आपका ये क्या है, यहाँ पे पार्ट प्लस रहता है. तो अगर आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में प्लस देगा, यहाँ पे इसको प्लस कर देगा, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर, ये 0 हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज इट इज अनेबल टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ना, आप एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं निकाल पाओगे. देखिए अब क्वेश्चन है, बुक में ही है, क्लास 9 में क्वेश्चन है, ये क्लास 9 का क्वेश्चन है. कहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ प्रिंटिंग एरर. Now, similarly, we are having a C, fifth part of it, fourth part of you can do by yourself. That is a polygon having 15 sides. So polygon having 15 sides, it means n is equals to 15. Then each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon n, that is equals to 360 degree upon 15. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to find out. This is question number 1. Now see question number 2, a very important question. Question number 2 says that is it possible to have a regular polygon of polygon each of whose exterior angle is 50 degree. Okay, so question is that if we have to find out Just you calculate now how many chapters are completed. I think 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chapters going on. 9 chapters going on, and we are having 12 chapters in your that is this one. Now see here, question number 2. That is the most important question. Let's see how we are going to solve question number 2. It is given is that is it possible to have a regular polygon whose exterior angle is 60 or 50 degree? So exterior angle 50 degree it is given to you. Below the formula, exterior angle given by the formula 360 degree upon n. Okay, so it means 50 degree is equals to 360 degree upon n. So n is equals to 360 degree upon 50 degree. Okay, 0 0 cancel out. So n is equals to 36 upon 5. That is equals to, now we can see here when you solve it, you get 5 sevens are 35, 1 upon 5. As we know that the number of sides never be in fraction. Number of sides never be in fraction. That's why it is not possible to have any polygon with, yes, of course, yes, you have written correct. That is, so what we have to write, since number of sides never be in fraction, therefore it is not possible to have regular polygon Yes, you have to make copy. Of course, you have to make copy. It is not possible to have a regular polygon with exterior angle 50 degree. Okay? We have to solve like this. Is there any problem to anyone? Yes, of course, it will come in decimal. वही section में वही हम बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि yes, Prachi, I am going to explain again. Since it is given that exterior angle is your 50 degree, a regular polygon will be there and its exterior angle is 50 degree. आपको देखना है क्या ये possible है कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई regular polygon जिसका exterior angle 50 degree हो. तो let's check out. अगर 50 degree है तो हमारा formula होता है exterior angle that is equals to 360 degree upon n. So now we have to equate them and just find out the number of sides. Since each exterior angle is given to you, the sum of exterior angle is given to us. So now we can find out that each exterior angle is given by the formula, say 60 degree upon 50 degree. When you solve it, you will get that is 7 1 by 5. 7 1 by 5, or you can say that it is in decimals. Decimals में जाएगा. So as we know that the number of sides will be never in that is fraction or in decimal. कोई भी side ऐसा नहीं सकता कि हमारे पास 5 sides है और एक half side है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Number of sides will be always in whole number. So therefore it is not possible to have a regular polygon with angle 50 degrees. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Sir, what you have written after exterior angle? Oh, yeah. Angles. Actually, we are using symbol like this for angle. This symbol is used for angle. Suppose that you don't want to write angle, so you can write like this. Okay. Okay now. So move on, ask question number 3. Find the measure of each interior angle of regular polygon having 10 sides. Now we have to find out each interior angle. So move on, next चलते हैं. सॉरी, कल का वीडियो हमने आज YouTube पे डाउनलोड किया है. कल थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा लग गया, हमको हो नहीं पाया था. तो कल का वीडियो जो है वो आज अभी अपने मॉर्निंग में अपलोड कर दिया है. सो दोज हु वांट टू सी दे कैन सी, है ना, वो देख सकते हैं. प्लीज वीडियोस को देखिए, अंडरस्टैंड करिए एंड डू मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस सो दैट यू विल गेट अ मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इन योर हाफ ईयरली. ओके, नाउ सी हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find the measure of each interior angle when number of sides is given to 10. N is equals to 10. ठीक है, when n is equals to 10, we know the formula of each interior angle. Each interior angle is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. Yesterday I told you na, that is the formula, that is n minus 2 upon 1 that is into 180 degree. ये फॉर्मूला हमने अपना डिराइव किया था. You can use your own formula, आप अपना फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? So this is the formula that I made. So now we can write here so 18 8 जा, वाह वेरी गुड आयुषी, जैसा तो मेरे बोलने से पहले ही बोल दिया. 18 8 जा 144. अरे हमने सम का फॉर्मूला लगा दिया क्या? क्या मेजर ऑफ ईच निकालना था, ईच निकालना है. इट इज फॉलोइंग ईच के लिए दैट इज फिर. हाँ, मेरा दिमाग फ्यूज हो गया, मैं सम ऑफ फॉर्मूला लगा रहा था. ठीक है ना. चलिए 180 माइनस दैट इज 36 डिग्री कितना जाएगा आपका? 10 माइनस 6 दैट इज 4. 7 माइनस 3 दैट इज 4 1. अरे आंसर फिर भी क्या था? वेरी गुड. क्लियर? नाउ see next part of it. Next part that is having a 15 sides, so I hope you can do by yourself. मैं नहीं कर देता हूँ. चलो, if n is equals to 5, then each interior angle is equals to 180 degree minus 360 degree upon n. So 180 degree minus 360 degree upon n की वैल्यू कितना है? 15. So now 180 degree minus 15 का कितना था? 24 degree. So 10 minus 4 that is 6 degree. 7 minus 2 that is 5 degree. So the measure of each, yes, very good, very good, very good. All are very intelligent. Good. सब लोग बहुत फास्ट कर रहे हैं, सबको बहुत अच्छा समझ में आ रहा है पॉलीगॉन. Now next one, question number 4. Now see the question number 4. What is given? Is it possible to have a regular polygon each of whose interior angle is 100 degree? Now is this time each interior angle is given to you. ठीक है? So each interior given 100 degree. As we know the formula, like this. Now we have just keep all the values here. Okay, each interior angle is known to us, that is 100 degree. Now this is the formula. Now we have to calculate the n. So what we have to do? Bring this 360 degree minus n this side and send this 100 this side. So it becomes a 360 degree upon n is equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So 360 degree upon n is equals to, that is 80 degree. N is equals to how much? 360 degree upon 80 degree. 0, 0 cancel. What is left? N is equals to 36 upon 8. Okay, so 36 upon 8. So 8 4 the 32. अभी क्या है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा और तो पहले कैंसिल कर लेते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है ना. 4 9 जा 36, 4 2 जा 8. It is 9 upon 2, that is equals to 4.5. Again, it is in fraction. Okay, understand? That's correct, सौम्या. सारी इंटेलिजेंसी तो जो है ना वो एग्जाम में दिखती है, जब एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है. Okay, so n is equals to 4.5. Okay, so now again we have to write the same statement. Since that is the number of sides never be in fraction or in decimals, therefore it is not possible to have any regular polygon of interior angle 100 degree. Okay, so again you have to write, since n is it is not possible. Clear? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? You can just ask. No doubt. Good. Okay, now move on. Next one. Question number 5. Examples are very important, so all students please do all the examples. ठीक है, जितना भी example आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है, I think 14 examples are there, so you have to solve each and every one. Okay, examples are very important. So please do all the example. Okay, yes, those who have done, very good. Now see a question number 5. What is the sum of interior angles of regular pentagon? Now again it comes, and तो हमारा formula part. So it is given that it is the first one, pentagon. Again pentagon है, then n is equals to कितना होना चाहिए? That is 5 होना चाहिए. Now sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree into n minus 2. So that is equals to कितना आएगा? 180 degree n minus 2 and 5 minus 2, so 180 degree into 3. So 18 threes are 18 threes are. अरे वाह, बोला सबने बोला. सौम्या ने 5 बोला. 80. सौम्या, what is this way? अच्छा. Good, very good. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Good. Don't open your mind now. I am testing you. You are following my instructions or not? Now see hexagon. Suppose that we are having a hexagon. Means n is equals to 6. When n is equals to 6, then sum of interior angles, that is equals to, please say n minus 2 into 180 degree. So 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 4 into 180 degree. Okay. Now 18 fours are very good, very good, very good. Now see a question number. You see the odd part say nonagon means having 9 sides and it is given that polygon of 12 sides. I hope now you can do a 2 by yourself. Immediately solve it and give me the answer. Immediately solve it and give me the answer. All of you, right? जल्दी से करिए, देखते हैं कौन क्या आंसर देता है. 2 questions are there. Nonagon, that is n is equals to 9. When n is equals to 9, 9 minus 2, that is 7. So 18 7 ja. It is a yes. Very good. Very good. Which is answer नहीं देखना है. Yes, yes. Very good. All are very intelligent. Very good. Now next one. Fourth part. Polygon of 12 sides. तो क्या होना चाहिए? 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2, that is 10. 10 into 180, that is 1800. Very good. Prachi Patel ने सबसे पहले yes. प्रकट हुए. Yes, very good. So now you can see how much easy it is. कितना easy है ना? So आप लोग ऐसे practice करेंगे और definitely will do a better one. चलिए ठीक है. Good, very good. Now go on the next one. Question number 6. Only 39 students are present. Rest are still sleeping. अच्छा है. वरना take attendance. What is the number of diagonals in a heptagon? Now question number 6. Heptagon. Hepta means n is equals to 7. Now number of diagonals. Number of diagonals is given by n into n minus 3 upon. जल्दी से बोलिए n into n minus 3 upon. अरे सबको अटेंडेंस देना शुरू कर दिए. हम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन लो बोल ही नहीं रहे. चलो बोलो. So now we are having 7 minus 3 upon 2. So 7 minus 3 4 upon 2. 4 to the हो गया 7 to the 14. So that is 14. Okay. So this is the way how we are going to solve it. Clear? I hope आप लोग भी इसका नेक्स्ट का आंसर ला देंगे. Octagon and polygon with 12 sides. ठीक है? So yes, octagon के लिए क्या होगा? 8 होगा. So here we are having 8 for octagon. N is equals to 8. So 8 into 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 it is 5. So 2 4 8 कट जाएगा. यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? That is 5. 5 4 जा 20. So next में कितना होगा? 20. ये सब पढ़ना सॉल्व कर लेंगे कि नहीं? Yes. In next we are having when n is equals to 8, then number of diagonals will be 20. Okay. Similarly, then we are having a polygon with 12 sides. So 12 sides is again 12 कितना जाएगा, 12 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 6 और 12 माइनस 3 दैट इज 9. ओके 9 6 54. ऐसे ओरली सॉल्व करना है आपको. जब ओरल ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे देन ओनली विल बिकम अ मास्टर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, तो सिंपली करना है. 12 रखना है, 2 है, 2 6 कट गया तो 6 आ गया, एंड 12 माइनस 3 दैट इज 9 आ गया. 9 6 54. यही पे सॉल्व कर दिया, हमें वहां तक जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, so this is the way now you are going to complete your question number 6. So you have to do up to question number 6 your class work copy. अपनी class work copy पे जाइएगा, घर में बैठ के वर्ड्स को पूरा सॉल्व कर दीजिएगा. क्लियर? चलिए आज हम लोग यहीं पे स्टॉप करेंगे. And one thing I want to tell to all of you, please focus on maximum marks. Don't focus on first position. कोई भी बच्चा फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे फोकस मत करिए, आपकी अपनी लड़ाई होनी चाहिए. योर फोकस विल बी ऑलवेज ऑन द मैक्सिमम. ठीक है, हम आप बच्चों से एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, क्लास में एक पोजीशन ये होती है और एक पोजीशन ये होती है. ठीक है ना, बच्चे हमेशा इसके लिए लड़ते हैं, मेरा लड़ना है इसके लिए, यानी आई हैव टू रीच 100, आई हैव टू रीच 100. मेरा फोकस सिर्फ यहाँ पे रहना चाहिए, किसी का फोकस यहाँ पर नहीं रहना चाहिए. ठीक है, so always focus on this. So please do hard work, try to get maximum marks, try all of you will to get 100 out of 100. ठीक है ना, सबकी कोशिश 100 out of 100 की होनी चाहिए. Thank you very much. Aparna, take attendance.